Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about what is the difference between a TradingView indicator and a TradingView strategy. So a lot of us do not know or either get confused to understand what a TradingView indicator is versus what a TradingView strategy is. So TradingView has two types of pinescript codes that you can create. One is the indicator and the other one is the strategy. So first of all, just to clear the air, the TradingView indicator does not provide any backtesting. Yeah, you heard it correct. So if you would have heard that TradingView supports backtesting, so backtesting is not supported for the TradingView based indicator. That is, if your pinescript is having a code for indicator, then it will not perform any backtesting because the indicator only indicates the buy and sell signal. So we'll be seeing that up shortly in this video. Unlike the TradingView indicator, the TradingView's strategy, that is the pinescript strategy, can have signals, that is the buy sell signals, as well as the strategy. So how do you identify whether your pinescript code is an indicator or a strategy on TradingView? Simply you can go open up your Pine editor, open a new script. So over here you can see multiple options. You can see an indicator, you can see a strategy. If I click on the indicator, so this is a new code that gets opened, and over here I'll be able to see this function indicator, right? So if I were to open a strategy, then over here, instead of the indicator, I'm able to see the strategy function over here. So this gives me a good idea that this strategy can perform backtesting. However, the indicator doesn't have the backtesting support. So let us first see that on the chart itself. So this is something which is a prerequisite when you are automating your TradingView trades, right? So over here, as you can see, I have built two pinescript code, one for the indicator and other one for the strategy. Just to differentiate between the two, it's a simple indicator, the super trend that we use. So whenever the super trend turns from red to green, it means that the candle has closed above the super trend, and vice versa for the red. That is, whenever the super trend turns from green to red, we see the red line. So this is basically an indicator that I'm able to identify. But if I were to perform a backtesting on this code, will that happen? Let us just first see that. If I click on the source code, as you can see that this is an indicator for the super trend. So this is a code for the indicator. So this will not be performing the backtesting for me. For that, I need to have the super trend strategy with me, which I would be able to perform the backtesting. This will only give me the buy and sell signals. But if I were to simulate the buy and sell signals on the historical data, then I'll be needing the super trend strategy. So let me just turn this off and turn this on. So as soon as I turn this on, I get the strategy report over here. As you can see, if I change the time frames, then all my parameters would be changed. All right, I'll be able to see the performance, trade analysis, the list of trades, all of these things. I'll be able to check it from my side. Perfect. Now, if I go to the pinescript editor and I open the source code of this strategy, okay, over here, as you can see, that this is the strategy function that I've used, and due to which all the conditions for my entries and the exits for long and short side, I'll be able to perform backtesting over here. All right, so I hope this clears the air for the difference between a TradingView strategy and a TradingView indicator. So once you have this code handy with you, then you'll be able to automate this trade in your broker account. So I hope you understood the difference between the two. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.